What's for dinner number 10. This was done over a couple months now. There's a few lunches thrown into, but I just wanted to share all of this with you. This is not all the meals we had, but just the ones I really wanted to share. So the first one is chicken from the crock pot, broccoli and cheese roll, and mashed potatoes. Next up we have a turkey banquet, which every now and then I do fix the banquet dinners with some green beans, roll, mashed potatoes, and gravy off of the turkey on the potatoes. This was an easy night. This was chicken noodle soup and crackers, mainly because that's what I really wanted to eat. And this night we had, this is pizza casserole with cheesy garlic bread, and this is delicious. And I do have a recipe on this, so if you check the cards or the description box, there will be an in the kitchen playlist. This was chili cheese, fries, and hot dogs, and we got a grill and we've been grilling a lot, so there's like some cookout kind of food in this list as well. And today, on this day, we had KFC bowls, and it's mashed potatoes, layered mashed potatoes, cream corn, or you could use whole kernel, popcorn chicken, cheese, and gravy with a biscuit on the side. Delicious. Recently done a in the kitchen video on this. This is a round steak, whole potatoes, and shells. So yummy. A lot of these meals are really easy to put together too. And this is what happens when you allow your 7-year-old to pick what's for dinner on movie night. And we even made a special trip to the store near our home to buy the yoo-hoos. So we had a yoo-hoo, pizzas, and fries. And breakfast is so good for dinner. This is corned beef hash and eggs. Sometimes breakfast is best. Then once again, grilling out, cheeseburger with fries. So good. We've been using our new grill for everything, you'll see. Ribs, fried potatoes, and hush puppies. The hush puppies on the side because I was clearing out the freezer, and sometimes you'll see meals in my videos that are kind of like a hodgepodge mix because why not? I need to clean the freezer out. We need to eat that food. Salad. So warmer weather, I eat tons of salads. I love salad, so that's pretty much what that is. This is a marinated pork chop, scalloped potatoes, some cheesy rice, and green beans. Pork chop was delicious. I love trying new marinades, new spices out, and it's just the way to go. It will literally transform a dish. Now this is an early Thanksgiving. We had broccoli, mashed potatoes, gravy, turkey in my crock pot, and a roll. So good, but we probably won't have turkey again until Thanksgiving. And next up we have more hot dogs. This time with just some cheesy fries and a ranch bacon pasta salad on the side. Like I said, you're gonna see several cookout items because we've been burning our grill up. Biscuits, gravy, and eggs because breakfast is best at dinner. So yummy. So yummy. I don't know anyone that doesn't have breakfast at dinner sometimes. And another salad. This one's just lettuce, cheese, egg, and croutons, and delicious. Taco Bell copycat recipe, chicken quesadillas. The recipe is literally spot on. It's probably one of the most spot on recipes, copycat recipes that I've ever tried, so definitely check this recipe out. It's so good. This salad was so delicious. It was a pre-made salad, but it's one of the BLT salads. Amazing. Highly recommend. I got this in the produce aisle at Walmart. So yummy. It came with cheese and bacon and all that stuff. Now this was like a lunch idea, but I still wanted to share it with you because you could eat this for dinner. You could anytime, but this is egg salad. So basically you just chop some eggs up, add some mayonnaise, toast some bread, and voila. You know, quick and super filling. Cube steak marinated with a side salad. This was meatloaf and mashed potatoes and a roll. And most of the time if you see mashed potatoes in my videos, I hand make the mashed potatoes. I 90% use real mashed potatoes. Now this was a baked potato, de-skinned, and cheese and butter on that with a pork loin and some cornbread. This was so delicious. This is another banquet meal. Salisbury, green beans, and I'm pretty sure those are instant potatoes with the gravy drizzled over them. Very quick and easy meal. Kind of tasty too, and it's under $3. This is blade steak, cheddar broccoli rice, mashed potatoes in a row. This was so good as well. So yummy. Sloppy Joe. This was an easy, quick night with some ranch chips on the side. Made this on the grill. This was absolutely fantastic. This was cut up red potatoes, marinated. The corn I even marinated as well. Chicken marinated as well. Not together in the same baggie or nothing. But this come out so yummy. And this was cooked on a grill. Highly recommend dicing up red potatoes and throwing some butter on them, grilling them up. Same with corn and chicken. Obviously, that's a win-win. I love chicken. So yeah, that is my What's for Dinner number 10. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more What's for Dinner. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to check those cards, the description box, for additional links, as well as the In the Kitchen playlist.